GeoByte.
Hi friends, welcome to the GeoByte. In this video, I am going to explain a very simple and easy trick for easily remembering the tables from 2 to 9. Dear friends, I prepared the tables from 2 to 9 in the form of a table. While we are going to discuss, you please completely focus on the discussion for easily understanding. Shall we start? Yes, let us start it. Look at the table. I prepared a table for you for constructing the tables from 2 to 9. In this table format, I am going to explain the tables from 2 to 2 to 8. Ninth table we will discuss separately. To prepare the tables from 2 to 8, what I did is I have selected 8 columns 1, 2, 3 up to 8, then 10 rows 1, 2, 3, 4, like that up to 10 rows I selected. I am going to explain very easily. You try to focus on the topic what we are going to discuss. Let us start it. Dear friends, the table 2 values are going to be written under the 2. Similarly, table 3 values under the 3. Table 4 values, table 5 values, table 6 values, table 7 and table 8 values. First let us take the table 2. For writing the table 2 values, I am going to do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Your table 2 completed. Now let us compare. 2 2 jar 4, 2 3 jar 6, 2 4 jar 8, 2 5 jar 10. Similarly, 2 9 jar 18, 2 10 jar 20. Similarly, 2 1 jar equal to 2. I hope you clearly got my point. Similarly, let us do for the third table. Third table can be prepared like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Your third table completed. Look at the third table. So third table, 3 1 jar 3, 3 2 jar 6, 3 3 jar 9, 3 4 jar 12, like that. 3 10 jar, the 10, 3 3 into 10 equal to 30. I hope you clearly understood. Similarly, let us go for the table 4. Now table 4. is like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40. Your table 4 completed. Now let us verify it. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 6 ja 24, 4 8 ja 32. I hope you clearly got my point. Similarly, fifth table. Fifth table is like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50. Your fifth table completed. Let us verify it. 5 1 jar 5, 5 3 jar 15, 5 5 6 jar 30, 5 8 jar 40. Similarly, 5 10 jar 50. I hope you clearly got my point. Similarly, sixth table is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Write orderly: 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60. Your sixth table completed. This is your sixth table. You can compare it, you can verify it. Similarly, seventh table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. Like that you write orderly. Only the thing is you should know that the numbering from 1 to 100. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Your seventh table, table 7 completed. You can verify it. You can verify it. Similarly, table 8. Now, table 8 like this 1, 2, 3, like that. You count the numbers orderly from 1 to up to 80. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 75, 76, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Your table 8 also completed. You can verify it. Dear friends, I hope you clearly understood how to easily remember the tables from 2 to 8. Now let us discuss the table 9 separately. Before going to discuss the table 9, Let us have the look on second table. This is the second table. Table 3, table 4, table 5, table 6, table 7, table 8. I hope all of you clearly understood. Now this is the time for discussing the table 9. Now let us discuss the simple trick for table 9. There are two methods for constructing the table 9 in the easiest manner. The first method is like this. Dear friends, first you take a column. In that column, from top to bottom, you write orderly from 0 to 0 to 9, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Similarly, from bottom to top, orderly you write 0, 1, 2, up to 9 for getting the table 9. I hope you understood like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again from bottom to top, from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Your 9 table completed. 9 1 jar 9, 9 3 jar 27, 9 6 jar 54. I hope you clearly got my point. The other method is the second method. The second method is like this. Here 9 into 1, 9 into 2, 9 into 3, 9 into 5, like this. You know, in the first place 9 is multiplied with 1. In the second place 9 is multiplied with 2. 9 is multiplied with digit 3. For all these digits, write just one less than that value. It means 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. Just less than 1 for this number. 3, 4, 5. 7 minus 1, 6. 7, 8, 8, 9. 10 minus 1, 9. Then you subtract each and every digit from the 9. You subtract 0 from 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. Your 9 table completed. I hope you clearly understood. Since I have explained each and every point, it took some time, but within 2 seconds you can complete this table. I hope all of you clearly understood. Dear friends, if you need any clarifications regarding these tables from 2 to 9, you please send your doubts to GeoByte. Definitely, I will answer all your doubts. Anyhow, thank you very much. Have a great day. Please subscribe our channel called GeoByte. Once again, thank you very much.
GeoByte.